Welcome to Eat Your Backyard, my YouTube channel. And in this video, we're going to go pick some mangoes. That's right, Tommy Atkins mangoes. We're going to do it using my brand new fruit picker. Can you see how happy I am? Something about the perfect fruit picker that just evokes joy. Now be prepared for some operator error here. Grasping a mango with a fruit picker is rather easy, and made even easier when you have a trustworthy assistant to load the 5-gallon bucket with delicious mangoes. Now, if you need a fruit picker like I did, I left the link to this one that I got here in the description, so go check that out and click on it if you are interested in such a thing, but you might be at the point where you're just starting your journey. The journey to a beautiful fruit forest. Now, these mangoes are the last of the Tommy Atkins mango harvest this year, and you can see don't always want to give up their bounty willingly. But yet somehow we prevail. Now, the mangoes that are deeper back into the tree, see, this is why you have to have one with a long reach. The worst thing that can happen with a fruit picker is that it's not long enough. Well, I take that back. That's not the worst thing. Worst thing's a pretty bad set of things, right? But I've been in the position where it's not long enough. And luckily this particular fruit picker has an extendable arm that takes it out to 25 feet. But it's much shorter. I'm not sure exactly how long when you retract it all the way back. Now, it's also light enough. And that's the other thing with a fruit picker. If they're heavy, like the last one I had a wooden pole on it, and it was a plastic head, which was nice and light, but that wooden pole was really heavy. Long wooden pole. It was actually connected with a metal thing that made two wooden poles into a much longer wooden pole, but it was very heavy, so when you got that thing on an angle at all, or you had to pick any amount of fruit, it was a bummer, and it was hard to maneuver because it was heavy. This one you can get right in there. I don't know what the metal is they use for it, but it's nice and light. You can see going much deeper in, and sometimes I use the picker itself now to just kind of push the branches back to see where the fruit is, and then just go ahead and get in there. The picker itself has a screw-on head, which is kind of nice because if anything's going to go wrong with this, it would be the head would rust. That's what's happened to the last ones I've had, is they've just been rusted, but I would keep them outside. This one's so nice, I've kept it garage kept, and I think it will last pretty much for a while. Oop, there you go. See, there's 3 fatties way back in there. And it's kind of hard to see. The drone can see it, no problem. By the way, if you like drones or are interested in drones, I have links to those in the description as well. You can check them out. Look at that's a twofer. 2 delicious Tommy Atkins mangoes. Man down, but didn't hit the bucket, so we will retain a foul-free state. See, that's what we like. That bucket is starting to stack up with sweet mangoes, thanks to my ever-sprout picker and my son Jack. And you can see it's doing rather well this year. I fertilized the yard with cow manure this year and compost, meaning I just sprinkled it all about everywhere, and it helped everything. It helped the grass, but it helped these fruit trees as well, and you can see the nice dark green color of the leaves. That's a healthy mango tree, and since then it's actually grown quite a good amount of new growth. And you can see my papaya, Hawaiian papaya, and bananas in the distance, just blowing in the tropical summer breezes. And there we are, the look from above. That's the look of 2 people who have a bucket of sweet Tommy Atkins mangoes at their feet. And I hope someday that will be you. Really, I would like to encourage everybody to plant edible trees and fruit and plants in their yard. I think it's a great way to enrich your life and the life of those around you. I set off on a mission to create a fruit jungle, and I did that. The goal was year-round fruit, and let me tell you, I have year-round fruit. And every child that comes over loves to explore and find it. So, hey, that's enough for me. So, hey, if you want to get an Eversprout picker, go ahead and check out the link. I don't work for Eversprout, but I do have Amazon affiliate links that you can click on if you want to find it. So, anyhow, the other thing is you could get a sweet mango tree. I might throw in some links for that, too. That's really what you want. You want a 5-gallon bucket, halfway full of mangoes. You can see they're heavy. Those are dense. But that's the last of the last. We'll have to wait for August 2021 for the next mangoes. And hey, if you like these kinds of videos, go ahead and subscribe. That way I will always be able to grab your attention as new mangoes blossom forth from the trees. Have a great day. Subscribe. Check out the links in the description. And thanks for watching. Eat your backyard.